Today we'll be unboxing the Shiny Legends Super Premium Collection. Alright. So inside we have this special holo Shiny Celebi, Pikachu, and Shiny Lugia. And this figurine. These are the booster packs. For the other box, so total of 10 booster packs.
Okay.
This Mew is so cute. Look at that. And it's a shiny Mew. Our first Mew pack.
要转3个上来这样。
不要紧啦。
我们去3个呢
I think 是啊 Not sure.
定是我去看一下。
Trade card. Ooh, nice. Oh. We got this already, what?
有。
Shiny Bulbasaur.
Same thing again.
Another one. Now move on to the Mewtwo packs.
Oi.
Oh, Venusaur. Oh my god! Oh my god! Our third pack! It's crazy!
Raichu.
Oh, so cute! Oh, so lucky! Our third packet, and it's from a Mewtwo pack, so guys, keep in track of this packet next time. Right, our fourth pack. Whoa, nice, GX.
Yep. Nice.
And our fifth pack.
Nothing.
Nope, nothing much.
Who pack?
Our seventh pack. 6 or 7? 6. 6th pack. Oh, I saw something shiny. The border. Oh, we got both.
Raichu.
Oh, we got the Ultra and the normal GX. Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Our 7th pack.
Professor and Kiss.
Whoa, nice. I think this is one of the rarer ones. Is it?
Oh, there? Got.
Yeah. There's this like shiny star at the bottom.
Cannot focus.
Oh my god, I think this is quite rare. 8 pack.
Nothing.
Cool.
这是不是要
Our 9th packet. Nothing much, I don't see any shiny borders.
Yep.
Alright, this is the last packet. Last packet.
Oi.
Not bad, not bad. Alright, that's all from the 10 packets. Alright, let's take a look at the ultra rare Raichu again. Oh shit, man, it's fucking nice. It's really a great pull, man, from the box. Oh man, it's crazy. Alright, that's all. Goodbye.